Hey guys, let's unbox some of the PR stuff that I got this week. So we are gonna start with H&M. This is a very big bag. So excited for this. So cute, I can't wait to style this. It's a bit tight, but I think I'll manage. This is so pretty, oh my god. It's like a sweater. It's kind of thick, but not really. And it has this padded shoulder. Oh my god, cantik gila. And the oversized. I suka gila kalau sweater oversized. It's so nice. And they also sent me this very light pink shirt, and it's oversized. And last kali from H&M is this. It's really extra. Super extra. Ooh, I kind of like it. It makes me look macam really bougie. Then I got something from Pedro. I langsung tak familiar with this brand. I never got anything from them. I tak pernah beli anything from this brand. Send me a bag. Let's open it. This bag is inside. And then ada strap. This is the bag. I letak dia punya shorts strap. This is dia macam ada like belt buckle in front. Okay lah, not bad. Okay, next I got something from a local brand. This is Milliet & Co. Collaboration with Norita Harit, local designer. Another handbag. So, this is the handbag. I think for Raya, this is really nice lah. Macam it looks very elegant for Raya. So, that's it for today.